In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your SoundCloud profile picture on both Android and iOS devices. So I'm on the SoundCloud app now, and if I tap on those little three lines at the bottom right of the screen, I tap on that and then I click on my profile image at the top right, then you can see I have no profile picture currently. So all I need to do now is tap on that little pencil icon, and this is a little bit different to how the app previously used to work. You previously could not upload a new profile picture from the app itself. So if I tap on the pencil icon, and now you can see that in the middle of that little profile picture thing is a little camera. If I tap on that little camera and I go new picture, you can see I can now take a new picture. I'm just going to take any old picture, select that, crop it out, and that is now my new profile picture. And you can obviously flip the camera around and then take a picture of yourself. You can also change the banner and choose an existing image or a new picture. So that is how you change your profile picture on the SoundCloud app on both Android and iOS devices. If you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.